Good morning, everyone. So I am currently getting ready for a Warner Brothers studio tour. And I did this last year, which was super fun. But this year, supposedly, some of the Gilmore Girls actors are like showing up. Like Scott Patterson, who plays Luke. And he said he might be here today, so we're gonna get excited for that. But I'm just testing out outfits before I do my makeup because I am doing a Lorelai inspired outfit, and she wears a lot of like turtleneck leather jacket jean combos. Now I don't have the dark wash jeans that she has, but I figured this was going to be okay. And then I just put on my black Madden Girl little short boots that I have. I feel like this is pretty good. I'm pretty comfortable with this. Look, I have this like dragonfly mug. There's actually nothing in it. I just thought it would be cute because like I'm Lorelai on my way to work. I actually use it for markers. But any hooser, I still have to do my makeup, but I think this is going to be the look for today. And yeah, this is my Lorelai Gilmore inspired outfit. I just have to do my makeup, and if I have time, I want to do my hair, but I might not. That's okay. And then we're gonna head off to Warner Brothers Studios. We have an appointment. I don't know. Our tickets are at 12, but we need to be leaving here in about 30-45 minutes, just in case there's traffic. This one does have coffee. And I'm gonna be taking you along with me today. So, but I just wanted to show you my little outfit. Can we get the whole thing? Okay. Yes. Lorelai core. But so yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. What about it? We are here. We're about to check in for our tour. They have like a 30 years of friends. Could I be wearing any more clothes? They also have the dog. Okay, first it's like a little museum, and then we're gonna walk over to do a guided tour, and then 1 hour free-for-all, which we're here for the Gilmore Girls special winter thing that they do. I'm so excited. This is why we're here. Thank you, Gilmore Girls.
But even then, please just make sure you wait until you hear it is safe from me.
This is so cool. Behind me are the costume pieces from one of my favorite movies, Crazy Rich Asians. You guys, Austin Butler wore this. They have the Big Bang Theory like cafeteria over here. They also have a friends photo experience, but we've already done it and don't want to wait in line again. But it's pretty cool because you get the couch in the cafe and stuff.
And your coffee from Central Perk.
There's Joey and Chandler's chairs and a foosball table. Lots of Friends merch here. Even more Friends merch. Now we're going to the Holidays Made Here, which is the full Gilmore Girls set, all in the wintry Christmas time. So we're waiting in line for a picture and to go into Lorelai and Rory's house. But look, here are her acceptance letters. And there's Lorelai's seat. Infamous first day of school outfit. Lorelai's house was so cool. Now we're headed to Luke's Diner. Potentially Dragonfly Inn. What is Independence Inn? Cute. Potentially headed to Dragonfly Inn. We're just gonna walk around and explore. They're doing trivia at the bookstore. Cookie decorating at Suki's. Mrs. Kim's Antiques. We're going to enter Mrs. Kim's Antiques.
It's Rory locked. Oh. Wow, I'm getting disappointed from here.
There's the park and the gazebo. There's the Dragonfly Inn, and they have food, it looks like. There's the stairs.
Yeah.
There's Richard. There's Stars Hollow books. Camera shot. Hey, this is an actual song from the show. There's Dosey's Market. Going into Dosey's Market. Oh, that's funny. Stars Hollow High, where Rory met Dean. Here we are at Luke's Diner. We are gonna get in that line. Currently waiting in line, but there's the Friends Fountain and the Friends Couch. Nobody wants it. We're all here for Gilmore Girls. Rumor is Scott Patterson is here. We got popcorn.
Jess? Logan? Okay, I'm hearing an overwhelming Jess, but Team Luke! Obviously. Team Richard Gilmore? From our Emily, of course.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Richard.
She's Team Jess, and she's sticking to it. Team Dave? Oh, well, yes. Lame, yes.
Okay, so we're at the costume contest and we're waiting for, I think, Scott Patterson to come out. But the lookalikes are pretty good. And I don't know what we're waiting for. It's supposed to start in like a minute. So let's see what's about to happen.
Hello, Stars Hollow! Are we ready to judge our costume contest today? You know what though? I think we need an expert today. I think there's too many good costumes up here today, and I think we should bring Scott Patterson out tonight. Woo! There's too many good ones.
Hi everybody, how are you? Thanks for coming. This is an ocean of fans. I've never seen this many fans at Warner Brothers. Hi kids. Hi everybody. Look, thank you all for coming out. I mean, this is amazing. What a show, what a phenomenon, and what a fan base. And some hot chocolates and there's more.
Are the four of you together? No. One for you. It's gonna be through the exit door.
Gotcha.
Thank you. We got my Luke's coffee. We got to go in Luke's Diner. We got our Luke's coffee and took some pictures and got an apple fritter. Okay guys, we've been duped. So we're like double cupped up here. Look, it's freaking Central Park cops. They've duped us. This coffee's not very good.
from the film.
what's his face? Jason
Memorable DC moments. And go behind the scenes of the Wizarding World with tips and props for characters. Select from a variety of magical activities and learn more about your...
And then here they have all the Game of Thrones costumes and props, which is so cool, but we've seen all this before, and the Wizarding World.
This candy smells so good.
Making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey.